Hello student, standard 7th English medium, subject maths, chapter number 1st integers. The rules of properties of multiplication of integers. In this closure property under multiplication, students, we have already seen in previous standard 6th all the properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property. So see, in this property, if we take any two integers and its multiply, then answer becomes also an integer. So that's why we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. Now some examples of its related. First is minus 20 multi minus 5. See here, minus 20 and minus 5 both are integer. Students, integers, that means negative numbers, positive number and 0 included. There are three types of number. So if we take any two integer and after that it's multiply, then answer become also a integer. So here answers come 100 and it's also a product is integer. The second, minus 15 multi 17, then answer come 200 minus 255. So this product is also a integer. So same like that, to be continue, minus 30 multi 12, then answers come minus 360. It is also a integer. So if we multiply in these examples, then answers come positive or negative. So all are become a integer. Okay, got it students? So we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. Now afterward, the next property is commutative property, and in this property, if we multiply any two numbers in any order, then answers come always same. See, in statement 1, first example is 3 multi minus 4, then answers come minus 12, and after that if we multiply in different order, that means minus 4 multi 3, then answers come minus 12. So same answers come, that means both are same. 3 multi minus 4 equals to minus 4 multi 3. Now same example, minus 30 multi 12, then equals to minus 360. And here if we multiply in different order, first we multiply 12 multi minus 3, then it is come same answer minus 360. So both answers become same. So afterward, see in the next example, minus 15 multi minus 10, then what answers come students? 150. And if we multiply, it's a different order. If we multiply first minus 10 multi minus 15, then answers come also 150. So the same answers come. Therefore we can say that multiplication are closed under commutative. The rules is, examples suggest multiplication is commutative for integer. Now multiplication by 0. So if we multiply any integer with the 0, then answers come also 0. Minus 3 multi 0 equals to 0. 0 multi minus 4, then answers come 0. Minus 5 multi 0, then answers come 0. 0 multi minus 6, then answers come 0. So this show that the product of negative integer and 0 is always become 0. Next, the rule is multiplicative identity. We know that students, 1 is the multiplicative identity for all integers. If any integer we multiply by 1, then answers come same integer. Minus 3 multi 1, that means minus 3. Minus 4 multi 1, that means minus 4. 1 multi minus 5, then answers come minus 5. 1 multi minus 6, then answers come minus 6. And same like that, 1 multi 5 is 5. 1 multi 8 is 8. 1 multi 3, then answers come 3. And 7 multi 1, then answers come 7. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for all integers. Okay, got it, students?